வணக்கம். எங்கள் சேர்மன் உதயநாராயண் சொன்ன மாதிரி எங்களோட கிளியர் பிளான் வந்து கம்ப்ளீட் ரேஞ்ச் ஆஃப் எலக்ட்ரிக் வெஹிக்கிள் இருக்க போகிறோம். 2 வீலர் 3 வீலர் பேசஞ்சர் 3 வீலர் கார்கோ 4 வீலர் கார்கோ இந்த கம்ப்ளீட் ப்ராடக்ட் ரேஞ்சை வந்து நாங்கள் கஸ்டமருக்கு கொடுக்குறோம். எங்கள் ப்ராடக்ட் எல்லாமே வந்து எங்களோட அலையன்ஸ் எங்களோட பார்ட்னர்ஷிப்னால தரமானதாகவும் நல்ல கஸ்டமருக்கு வேல்யூ ஃபார் மணியாகவும் இருக்கும். எங்களோட சர்வீஸ் நெட்வொர்க் பார்த்திங்கன்னா இப்போ தமிழ்நாட்டில் மார்ச்சுக்குள்ளே நாங்கள் வந்து 20 இடத்துல ஆப்ரேஷனாக இருப்போம். கஸ்டமர் எங்கே போனாலும் சர்வீஸ் எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபெசிலிட்டி நாங்கள் வந்து கஸ்டமருக்கு உருவாக்கி கொடுக்குறோம். அது இல்லாமல் எங்களோட புது ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் வந்து அடுத்த கேலண்டர் இயர்லேருந்து கண்டினியூஸாக லான்ச் ஆகும். ஸோ எங்களோட விஷன் வந்து ஒன் ஆஃப் த லீடிங் எலக்ட்ரிக் வெஹிக்கிள் பிளேயர் இன் இந்தியன் மார்க்கெட் அண்ட் ஆல்சோ இன் குளோபல் மார்க்கெட். தேங்க்யூ. வெஹிக்கிள் காஸ்ட் இப்போ 3 வீலர் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்மளோட ஃபுல் கண்டெய்னர் வெஹிக்கிள் வந்து 3,60,000 ரூபாய் எக்ஸ் ஷோரூம் ப்ரைஸு. ஆன் ரோடு வந்து 380 பக்கம் வரும்.
மைலேஜ் எப்படி சார்? சார்ஜிங் டைம் எப்படி?
எங்கள்கிட்ட 2 பேட்டரி டைப் இருக்குது. ஒன்று வந்து 10.8 kWh பேட்டரி. அது வந்து 3 மணி நேரத்தில் 4 மணி நேரம் சார்ஜ் டைம் ஆகும். 120லேருந்து 140 கிலோமீட்டர் வரைக்கும் ரேஞ்ச் கிடைக்கும். இன்னொன்று சார் சொன்ன மாதிரி லாக்டவுன் ரேபிட் இவி, அது வந்து 30லேருந்து 35 நிமிஷத்தில் சார்ஜ் ஆகிடும். 60லேருந்து 70 கிலோமீட்டர் ரேஞ்ச் கிடைக்கும். இது வந்து நம்ம கார்கோவில் இருக்கிறது. இது 2 வீலரில் 3 வேரியன்ட் லான்ச் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஒரு வெஹிக்கிள் வந்து 60 கிலோமீட்டர் ஸ்பீடு ரேஞ்ச் கிடைக்கும். இன்னொரு வெஹிக்கிள் வந்து ரெண்டு வண்டி வந்து 80 கிலோமீட்டர் ரேஞ்ச் கிடைக்கும்.
Hold on, one more thing I want to say on the swap. We are also coming up with swap batteries. The swap batteries are going to be aligned with Sun Mobility, and we are planning to roll out about 10,000 vehicles on that. So fixed, which is 10.8, fast charging, which is Log9, swap, which is Sun Mobility. We are giving a wide range of capabilities for our customers, depending on how people want their pricing, the batteries. We are coming up with an area where you can actually lease batteries, which will reduce the cost further. So the key part is that for us, it's extremely important to understand that our customers' pricing gets lowered. We are always finding solutions to reduce the price so that the person, the driver on the last mile gets lower cost, whether it be on the cargo or whether it be on the passenger.
What about the charging stations?
The charging stations is something that we are aligning with partners like Log9, and we have announced with Chargers in Bangalore. We are also going to we are setting up Magenta. We have done with Magenta, which is setting up charging stations across the country. And OSM Grid, which is my own grid, will be setting up charging stations. We are calling it, PowerPod. The name is called PowerPod. We have announced it yesterday. We are now starting to align. The key part is we want to electrify Tamil Nadu. We want to electrify this country, and charging is important. So whether it is ourselves or with our partners, we will set up. And the reason why we're saying this is the fixed battery, the charging for the fast charging, which is Log9 has already started to put into chargers, and swap, which we will work with Sun Mobility. Wherever we have a certain amount of vehicles, we'll install more and more chargers. So charging is going to be something that we are going to work very, very seriously over the next year to 2 years to actually bring. For our vision is to make sure that all the electric vehicles continue to ply the road. IC engine game is over. I think that our end users, what I'm more worried about is the driver on that street who is making less and less money because diesel price continues to go up. How do we make sure that they make more money? The answer is, let's bring electric. Let's give them the ecosystem. Let's give them the financing. Let's give them the superior product. We at OSM have done all of that, and we will continue to work, because for me what's important is not the B2B, is important is the B2C, the customer that drives the vehicle on the road.
How many charging stations going to be placed in Chennai and
In Chennai, we plan to put 50 over the next years, and then we plan to put over 20,000 chargers across this country.
Any app is there for the
Pardon?
station? How customers how search station?
ஆமாம், இது வந்து ஆப் பேஸ்டாக இருக்கும். கஸ்டமர் வந்து அந்த ஆப்பை டவுன்லோட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அவங்க லொக்கேஷனே ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணலாம், எங்கே சார்ஜிங் ஸ்டேஷன் இருக்குதுன்னு சொல்லி. அங்கே போய் அவங்க ஆப் பேஸ்டாக சார்ஜ் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதுக்கு பே பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ இட் கஸ்டமர் கன்வீனியன்ட், ரொம்ப கன்வீனியண்ட்டாக இருக்கும். இதில் 2 டைப் ஆஃப் சார்ஜிங் ஸ்டேஷன் இருக்குது. ஒன்று வந்து ஸ்லோ சார்ஜிங், ஒன்று வந்து ஃபாஸ்ட் சார்ஜிங். இது ரெண்டுமே நாங்கள் மேப் பண்ணி எங்களோட அது QR கோட் கொடுத்துருவோம். அந்த ஆப்லேயே கஸ்டமர் ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணிக்கலாம் நியரஸ்ட் லொக்கேஷன் அவங்களுக்கு என்ன இருக்குன்னு. சாரி சார். கரெக்ட், போர்ட்டபிள் சார்ஜரும் தரோம். நீங்கள் வீட்லேயும் சார்ஜ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். 15 amp socket நீங்க சார்ஜ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் அந்த ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கு
And for the trucks we will give bigger. For the rapid, you will see rapid chargers. See, we are going to put chargers that can do from the three-wheeler to the two-wheeler to the buses. That gives you that range. We're coming up with 150 kV chargers also. So the key part is not to be able to provide, not to give customers, they can on the app look at all the different ranges, where there are chargers. They can book the time. They can look at the different, how many chargers are available. So we want to make it easily because the mobile phone, and one thing which is very, very positive is that the south of India is so educated, is so further advanced compared to the rest of the country that we believe that the adaptation of the vehicle of electric, and you all of are raising a very, very, I'm really appreciative of all of you that are talking about charging. Charging is going to change this, and we want to make sure. How do we put more vehicles on the ground? By giving that charging facility. Now, with the swap, please understand that charging situation, you go to the gas station, the fuel station, you just drive your vehicle, you take them and put it in faster than how much it take time to put the fuel in. In the fast charging, we'll put it in Chennai, in many areas, and I will give you some other breaking news here. We will put the charger while he's having a tea or having a breakfast, he can charge it. So we will put it in the food stalls, we'll put it where the tea people. The other thing, we are launching vehicles which are called mobile charging units. They will be roaming Chennai. So if there is a problem with the charging on the street, they will go and charge quick charge. So we are creating mobile units, fixed units and mobile units. The mobile units will be localized in areas where through the app, they call the mobile charger and say, I've got a problem.
One final question, so what is
Please.
the target for next year?
Next year, my target for Tamil Nadu, again, for this financial year till March, is to put 50. The next year is to put several hundred more. My main idea is to bring consumers more vehicle, not just B2C and B2B, B2G, business to government. We need to make sure that the government also leads. So there are many municipalities, we've talked to Sir here, that we need to make sure that we get the support, that the more electric vehicles that go into Tamil Nadu, the better it is for you and it's better for your children. What's driving me is green energy and sustainability. All of our future generations, your kids, need to live a better life. The 10 most polluted cities in the world are in this country. We need to make a change now for our future generation. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you all being here at the opening of the dealership. Thank you, sir, for opening up a wonderful dealership and being a partner. This is an extremely important, as you can see, you know, DATEV is here and are going to be a very strategic partner as we're building across this country over the next few years. Omega Seki Mobility is here today to unveil another one of our dealerships. We have close to 85 touch points across this country, and we believe that over the next few months we'll get to the 135, and hopefully next year, financial year, we'll be close to 300. We are changing the face of mobility of this country. We have been involved in three-wheelers, in the cargo sector. We are coming some with the passenger side. We have come up with first of a kind in terms of the cold, which is Rage Plus Frost. As I just talked about, Rage Plus Rapid, which is something that is revolutionary. We are providing 6-year warranty and 15,000 cycles and a buyback on the battery. This is unheard of in this country. Most of our competitors are doing maximum between 2,000 to 3,000 cycles. So we are providing vehicles with 5 times more battery power. We are giving a buyback on the battery. We're setting up financing. We're setting up charging stations. We will build in the state of Tamil Nadu a very large network in terms of our dealerships. We are building charging stations in alignment with companies like Log9 and many others, and under OSM Grid. There is going to be a setup of the ecosystem. Tamil Nadu is a very important state for us. It is a very forward-looking state. We can see that the people are concerned about higher fuel prices. They are concerned about the environment, which is very close to my heart. This is an extremely important business which will change the face of mobility. We also are coming up with trucks in March there will be 1.5 ton, 3.5 ton, 6.5 ton, and up to 50 ton trucks in the electric business. So we are providing that whole range of products from the 3-wheelers to 2-wheelers to 4-wheelers. We are a cargo company. We will continually come up with new products. It is important that our partners like DAT continually grow the business in the state of Tamil Nadu. We will be also working on a national play. OSM is not just only looking at India. We have just launched OSM Siam for expansion into ASEAN and Thailand, and we are going to do OSM Africa for African. So we will be a country, we will be a company that will be growing globally from India. The Atmanirbhar policy, the local for vocal, is all done by us at OSM. We are setting up global alliances in powertrains, in motors, to make everything in India. And Tamil Nadu is an extremely important state for us. Thank you.